Welcome to an essential analysis on intellectual property within 3D printing and architectural innovation. The convergence of 3D printing and architecture is creating rapid, groundbreaking innovation. Understanding patent strategy is crucial here. The patent landscape in 3D printed architecture is complex, requiring focused strategies to protect novel structures, processes, and applications. Our first strategy focuses on protecting the physical output, the novel structure or component created by 3D printing. This includes patents on unique construction methods that leverage the layer-by-layer capabilities of 3D printing to create never-before-seen designs or structural efficiencies. Don't overlook claiming the specific material composition used in the printing process, especially if it offers superior strength, insulation, or sustainability. The second crucial strategy is securing patents on the 3D printing process itself, which is often as novel as the structure it creates. This involves claiming the automated sequence of printing, from material feed control and mixing, to nozzle movement and curing techniques unique to large-scale construction. It's vital to protect the proprietary software and hardware systems that manage large-scale 3D printing, especially custom gantry systems or robotic controls. The third strategy focuses on protecting the downstream applications and how 3D printed structures integrate with other technologies. For instance, patenting the integration of smart home technology, embedded sensors, or unique utility pathways directly incorporated during the 3D printing process. Also protect innovative methods of rapid assembly and construction that utilize 3D printed components off-site before efficient on-site installation. A strong intellectual property portfolio in this sector provides a crucial competitive advantage, cementing market position and deterring infringement. For innovators in 3D printed architecture, defining your IP strategy now is the key to future success. Innovate, protect, and lead the construction revolution.